Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name's Alex and today I will show you how to easily and rapidly manage different user groups with our MAGIO circulators. It is possible to define 3 different user groups, each with different access rights: the basic user, the advanced user, and the administrator. Let's have a look at the MAGIO menu. To log in as an administrator, you choose the submenu Unit Account. And after that, Settings. You can find the default password for every user in your operating manual. Here we need the password of the administrator. In this case, the default password is 0, repeated 6 times. Now we're logged in as an admin. We can see the 3 different user groups. To change the default password, just select the desired user and select Change Password. Furthermore, you can adjust the access rights for every user group. In this case, I turn off the submenu Adjust Safety for the basic user. Now, if someone is logged in as a basic user, they won't be able to jump into the submenu Adjust Safety. Instead, they will get an error message: Insufficient rights. Every user can also lock the MAGIO, for example, to prevent operation by accident. Just choose the submenu Unit Account and turn on Lock Unit. To unlock the MAGIO again, just type in the requested password. It is also possible to set an idle timer and set the idle time. When active, the unit will be locked automatically after the defined duration of inactivity on the display. If you want to leave this mode, just select Logout. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.